Hi my beauty junkies, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, it's been a while. I placed an order. So I placed an order. This is a cute little card. It says sun's out, buns out. I placed a Colourpop order of their new Sol y Mal palette. The only thing I'm upset about is that this order I made, I was supposed to get a free Make Up Your Mind little 6-pan eyeshadow palette, and it was written in my sheet, my I don't know what it's called. It was written in my sheet, order sheet, and when I opened the box I saw my 2 palettes, but I did not see the free one, which freaking sucks because now I have to reorder another order and order it again for $12 when I could have gotten free. Everybody else got it for free. Why didn't I get it for free? That's not fair. But I didn't want to freaking call Colourpop or contact them just because I need a free palette, which I'm pretty sure they were not going to send me a free palette. I feel like they were not going to do that at all. So I'm missing out of this collection the translucent powder and the banana powder, just because at the time when I placed this order they both were sold out and now they're restocked. So let's go into the massive haul that I got. They had a new collection. They came out with a new collection called Sol y Mal, and I don't know how many highlighters, but it's not in the palette, it's actually highlighters, loose highlighters, pressed highlighters, you know what I mean. And I grabbed one of those, 2 blotted lips and the 2 palettes. So let's begin. So I don't know what to start with because there's so much, but let's go in with foundation. Okay, so we already know that they had the whole foundation that came out with, and I was so excited and I really wanted to try it and I wanted to get my hands on it, and I'm really afraid of picking a foundation online. That's not what I do. I love to test it out on my skin to see what's right, will work for me. So I ended up getting 2 highlighters and I went with their whole matching Maybelline thing, and I'm like in the Maybelline Fit Me powder, I think I'm like 260. So it recommended that I would get 110 medium. Realistically, in my head, I'm thinking that might be too dark. But maybe that because I am getting a little tan, you guys can't see it because the lights are washing me off. But I figured, hey, I could do it. But because I was a little scared and skeptic about it, I got a light 75, and like I would advise you right now, do not do the whole match thing. Like, you're gonna have to freaking figure that shit out yourself. Yes, a lot of it worked for some people, but a lot of it didn't. A lot of people went by their whole, oh, if you Fenty, MAC, and it just didn't work out. It was either way too dark for people's skin color. So I got the 110. Packaging I'm okay with. I hate that it's in a little glass bottle. I mean, but then again, Wet n Wild's is in a glass bottle. But I love the cap better because it's a cap, and then the pump is not what I like. So this is 110. And it might look a little light, but it definitely is too dark for me, as you can see. So I will definitely expect that for you. And then I grabbed a 75 light, and for me this is my color, 75 light. I might want to grab 2 more and do like 65 and 85 and see like which one, but definitely out of the 2 you can tell that one is way darker than another, and this one's too golden, as to where this is more natural peachy undertones. And I think I'm more peachy cool tones than I am with golden, clearly. So it, you know, has a little pump, which it's okay. So I'm gonna pump this out for you guys. This is the medium 110, and I don't know if I do it this way, probably this way, and I'm gonna show you. Look how it's very runny, look how golden that one is. And then let's do, if I can switch it, the 75 right next to it. Clearly this is too golden and yellow. Clearly, I know you guys can see the difference of how I'm gonna get this 110 to match to me is just impossible as to where I think this is way better for me. The next thing I got was the No Filter Sheer Press Powder, and I got this in a medium, and it's perfect. It's literally the perfect color for me. I think the light one would be too light for me, but this one's perfect. I did pick up my favorite brow color in black and brown. This is my favorite. It ran out. I'm telling you, it's almost like pretty much like the Anastasia one, but it's like cheaper and more creamier, if that makes any sense. It's way more creamier. Of the whole collection, well, before I go into the whole Sorry Matte collection, let's talk Luxe lipsticks. I have, I want to say 10 of their Luxe lipsticks when they first came out. The whole, they're very moisturizing, and I know they're not mattes. So I got those, and I hated it. Oh God, I hated it. And I hate it. I hate saying that I hated a Colourpop product. It hurts my soul so much because I really love Colourpop so much, and I have so much of their stuff. Like, I literally have all their palettes. I got all their stuff, and it hurts me just to even think me saying a bad review on anything. But I'm gonna be freaking honest with you guys. I didn't like it. I think it smudged. It freaking went in between the cracks. It bleeded so much without a lip liner, and I need something that's gonna stay on my lips and not move, especially summertime. So when they came out with their matte Luxe lipsticks, I didn't get a chance to grab it, but I got to grab 6 of my favorite matte lipsticks, and I'm freaking loving it. Now I'm loving it because I can tell that I'm telling that the whole formula is a little different, and I like it. So let's start off with the first one. Is Sachet. It's a very dark purple, and I freaking love it. I still love the stars on it, the imprints. I love it. I love it. Oh, that color is delicious. Like, it's so dark. I can't wait to wear it. I can't wait to use it. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I will swatch all the lipsticks for you. The next one is hold on, so that was Sachet, and this one is Paparazzi, which is another favorite of mine. It is so pretty. Bear with me. Super beautiful, and I can feel that the texture is like even different. Little League, I might be wrong. Yeah, this is Little League. That mauve color is delicious. I love it. I'm in love with like the colors. I'm actually very happy with what I got. This is Maxed Out. Oh, that brightness. Oh, I love colors like that. I have a liquid lipstick color from Kat Von D called Argentina. High Striker, which is more like a red color. And the last one is, let's see, Mind Trick, and this is more of a terracotta color. Very terracotta color. It's the top one here. Really beautiful. Double Down highlighter from that collection. So pretty. Just because I know. So it is. Look how freaking gorgeous that is. That is so creamy. And the next two were Blotted Lips. I didn't grab the third one, which is like a bright orangey red. This is Soda Pop. And this is a blotted lip. It is so pretty. Guys, it's gorgeous. And Vitamin E. Sorry, Vitamin C. But not with a C. It's C like the C. C-E-A. And these are the two that I grabbed. How freaking gorgeous. I love it. I have Party Wave blotted lip. So now let's go in with the main twins, Sol y Mal. So let's do the palettes. This is what I'm saying. It's just like that, like plasticky, and this one has a mirror, and this was $12, and I freaking fell in love. So it has a big mirror in the bottom, and look at the colors, guys, so pretty. I love the packaging. So the names are in the back, say Sol, and then let's swatch for you guys. And I'm gonna swatch a few because I will have pictures posted on my Instagram. No worries there. But I am gonna take like the brightest shades just so I can show you guys. Let's take a matte. How freaking beautiful is that? What the hell is this? But you know, these colors in here are freaking, this reminds me of the sun, definitely. It had very beautiful, beautiful sun. This is definitely summery, beachy colors. I love it, I love it. The next one is Marl. So I love, it comes in a mirror. And here, like the, oh, it's beautiful. Mal means the sea, Sol means the sun. So it's freaking gorgeous colors. I'm gonna grab the blues, of course, and the green and an orange and a matte. So here we go. Hoping I'm swatching okay. Will this be okay? No, it's not. I did it wrong. It's that R&D. Oh my god, my swatches are so horrible. Let me grab another one again. What did I grab? I grabbed this one. I don't know what I grabbed. So these are the two palettes, Sol and Mal, and you guys need to get your hands on it. If you like bright colors or anything, trust me, get your hands on it. I really love what I picked up. I'm still iffy about the foundations because I do want to do a wear test, because I'll put a little bit on my face and I have dry skin. And the fact that this is matte, I don't know how to feel about it. When I did try it on, it kind of looked patchy on me, so now I'm trying to work with it with different primers. But I do want to do a wear test to see how good it is, because if we're dry skin, I'm a dry skin girl, and if you're a dry skin girl, this is not gonna look good on your face. So definitely I want to do a Colourpop wear test on their foundations. I do want to pick up another foundation color, and I might go lighter, and then we'll do the wear test. But I am so happy with everything I got. Thank you guys for joining me and sticking by with me. I hope I was okay, since this has been a while since I've been back here, because it's been so long since I've recorded. So I feel a little weird and a little nervous at the time, and I shouldn't, but I do feel like that. Thank you guys for sticking by and watching. If you did, please give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the little bell for any notification. Any videos I come up, you will know. And please subscribe so you can see me anytime, and I'm gonna try my best to upload more videos. Please take care, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.